I'd been ill. I'd had quite a long run of being unwell, really struggling with speech, with getting out, with mobility. My left leg and my left hand don't work very well. So I needed a gentle introduction back into society.
Barbara started learning with us on blended learning course last September. She does distance learning for 7 weeks, and then she comes into the class for 2 intensive days a few times during the year.
I'd been advised to learn language because it would help promote the language coming from the brain to the mouth to be spoken. And I'm Welsh. What should one learn? Welsh.
A while back, Barbara was virtually unable to speak, and then she's gone on from that, not just to come back to learning, but to learn another language.
The learning has helped because it's given me confidence to get out and be able to speak, to go out, to have a reason to go out. To an extent, I made barriers because I'd been isolated at home. It was difficult to let myself integrate. It was personal barriers, not class or mobility barriers. It was the fact that could I do it? Self-doubt.
Llongyfarchiadau mawr iawn I Barbara. I ni gyd yn y ganolfan Gymraeg yn teimlo yn falch iawn ohonoch chi a llwyddiant.
Embarrassed by winning the award because I'm not special. I'm just a person who's learning to speak Welsh. Very slowly learning to speak Welsh, but enjoying it, but I'm not special.